Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to set permissions and board owners in Monday.com. So Monday.com is actually a work management software, and here you can work with your team to manage your tasks and operation. So after logging into Monday.com, what do we need to do? We have to open our project that we are currently doing. And if this is a project, for example, uh, now we have to set permissions. So how can we set permissions? We can set permission by clicking here on these three dots right here. And then we have to go here to permissions. Initially, it used to be board permission. Now it's just permissions. So we have to click it. And here you can see that we can change the permission settings and change what we can do and what we cannot do. If we talk about viewing permissions, we can view all tasks on board. You know, every single employee or teammate that you have on this project will be able to see that. However, there is another feature which only comes with the enterprise plan, in that you can segregate your team members. For example, if we have the enterprise package, what we can do, view only tasks that are assigned to users or created by them in any people column. For example, in this feature, what we can actually do is we can segregate the information or the data and put some data in the people column, which all the users will be able to see. If there is some, I would say, information that you do not want them to see, then they won't be able to see it. So this is a kind of segregation or privacy that comes with the enterprise plan. However, there are other permissions that you can edit. The first thing what the teammates can do in terms of editing is, the first option or the most default option is edit everything on the board. So this is the most default and random option, that they can edit everything on the board. The team members can edit every single thing. However, if you want some restrictions, then you can click here and edit the board's content without changing its structure. That means that they won't be able to change any columns or drag it upside down. They won't be able to do that. So they'll be restricted here. The other option is only edit tasks or sub items that the users are assigned to. So if we do this, they won't be able to accept the owners. Now, I'm not talking about the owners here. The owners can do anything they want, but I'm not talking about the owners. Employees or team members other than the owners, they can do that. They'll have this restriction. I mean that they won't be able to. You can see right here as well that they won't be able to edit any task. They won't be able to change or edit any column or groups or automation. They won't be able to see the views as well, how many times the project was looked or viewed by someone. So this is another restriction. And the final one, editing permission, is write updates on task only. So they won't be able to do anything at all. They won't be able to add any task as well. They can only write the updates on the task given to them. So this is how you actually change the settings and permissions on Monday.com. Now, if you want to add a board member, now I'm going to tell you how to do that. Now, if you want to add another board member here, then the first thing that you need to do is you have to uh, click here, and here you go. The one with the blue crown is actually the co-owner, and they will be able to see everything going on. They will be, I would say, exempted from the permissions that I told you earlier. Now, this is how you make a random, I would say, team member into an owner of the project. That's how you do it. And if you want to invite anyone, if you want to add another person or invite someone, then what you need to do, you have to write their email. And once when you write their email, an invitation will be sent to them in their email. And that is how they can join this, I would say, project as well. For example, let me write an email. Invite a new member. Yeah, okay. Here you go. Now the invitation has been sent here. And let me just open the email and show it to you. I can see right here that I have been invited by this email for a project in Monday.com. So that's how you do it. That's how easy it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.